Hey everybody, today I am working on a 16 by 20 canvas and I'm actually going to be using the blow dryer today. I've been wanting to do it before but I have never done it, so I'm going to try today. The first color I'm going to be using is green. This is from the Fine Touch. I also have phthalo blue in my bottle, and that's from the Fine Touch. And then I do have a little bit of blue that I made up the other day. It's brilliant blue, and that is from Loft. And I have silver, that's from Loft. And then white, and that is Loft Flow Acrylic. Leaving this alone for, I don't know, about 10 minutes because I was a little disappointed. I really wanted to use my blow dryer and I don't think it's strong enough, so that's why I decided to use my airbrush gun after I tilted and then moved some of the paint around that way. And then I figured, what the heck, I might as well experiment a little bit more, so that's when I put the alcohol on. So I got some really cool effects using the alcohol. Like right up here, you can see there's some dendrite fractals right there. And then all throughout, there's very fine lacing. It's really fine, almost looks like it's foamy. It looks really cool. So I actually am quite happy with it now that I'm looking at it again, but I'm definitely going to try the blow dryer again. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.